what?
Crazy P, are you home?
Abby.
What's wrong?
What is that?
Oh no!
What's gonna happen?
God, I don't know what it is, but it's okay. It's okay. Wait, look, it's a trap.
A trap. Okay.
Okay, please hold. Alright, we're gonna take a cookie out. Maybe if it's like a animal, like a little bunny or something, maybe we'll eat it. Okay.
I got it. Here's the, oh,
Crazy P.
here's the
Alright,
cookie.
now let's go leave. It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
Squeak! Ching!
Hi guys, we got a picture of it. Yay!
Let me show it to you. You stop that! Sorry. Show me. Show me.
Okay,
Here it is.
Here it is.